Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 91 Charissa Run in the town of Henrietta.
This is the ultimate newer ranch home in mint condition with a premier location.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is spectacular one-floor living with a highly desirable open floor plan. Featuring a great room with a gorgeous granite kitchen with soft close cabinetry with under cabinet lighting, newer stainless steel appliances, a custom breakfast bar, and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to the cathedral ceiling dining room with a wall of windows and deck access. And living room with transom windows for great natural light, crown molding, and a gas fireplace with a decorative mantel. All with beautiful hardwood floors.
The first floor also features a spacious foyer with crown molding and French doors leading to the executive office with crown molding, arch windows, and a chair rail. Plus a separate bedroom wing with two spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors, an updated full bathroom, laundry, and expandability in the lower level with an egress window. Relax and unwind in this luxurious and spacious owner's suite with an updated bathroom with a tile shower and a walk-in by California Closets. This architect-designed quality-built home has great craftsmanship and is evident in the details.
Enjoy this quiet and private backyard with a newer Trex deck overlooking the meticulously landscaped lot that features an irrigation system, plus a picturesque front patio to sit back and watch the sunsets. Enjoy low-maintenance living with this newer home featuring vinyl siding and windows, a newer roof, and an HOA to mow the lawn, plow, and more. This premier Locust Hill Meadows location is minutes to the Pittsford Y, the Village of Pittsford, Brighton, Henrietta, and beautiful Mendon Ponds Park. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 91 Charissa Run in Henrietta.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!